Bob Fowler here again with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm standing inside our great showroom, and I'm standing on the back deck of a great Sea Ray 250 sun deck. Sea Ray, Sea Ray, Sea Ray. What does that mean? Well, you say Sea Ray and everybody knows what you mean. They have led the recreational boat industry for over 45 years. This is their 62nd year, and they have more awards than all the other recreational boat manufacturers put together. They have the largest customer service network, and also a Sea Ray Owners Club, the largest recreational boat club, owners club in the world. So they lead in innovation, they lead in creativity, they lead in models from 19 feet all the way up to 40 feet. And this is their 250 sun deck. Let's look at it just for a minute and the versatility in this model. Of course, this is the outboard model. The outboards are selling 10 to 1, just phenomenal. This is the 250 Mercury Verado, the new inline 6, and just a great motor. I could go on, but I just recommend, if you have any questions about specifics, go to Mercury or go to Sea Ray's site, and you can see everything about these Mercuries. They're so quiet, so fast, so efficient. Their controls are so easy and so smooth. But look at this. When I'm back here and enjoying watching the kids in the water, or just a great day relaxing, I've got this bench here. You've got a cooler built into the floor, and also you got plenty of storage up under here. You can put skis, wakeboards, whatever you want to do, and then of course you've got the sport arch. We'll talk about that in just a moment as well. But you've got all of this. You've got inputs for 12 volt, and watch this. When I'm through, ready to get underway, this bench changes. This locks over here so it doesn't move, and then I'm ready to get on board and take off. You've got the table that can store down inside the enclosure, and I'll show you that. You've got a big area right here of storage up under here, and you can see I can change my bench. I've got long bench seating that way. Storage under that seat. Now I'm facing forward, and I've got the bolster here on the captain's seat as well, so I can sit up if I'd like. The glass dash and all your controls, everything is just right here. You've got the Fusion stereo, and here we come. Look at this. You're not going to believe this. First of all, you've got more storage for private things that you want to put. Remember, 25-foot boat. You've got a full head, but look at the area down here that kids can come lay down. Adults can lay down. There are cushions that go in there. We don't have them out yet. This boat's brand new. You have the infinity carpeting. You got more storage here that's long enough to put skis or wakeboards as well. I mentioned the sport arch, and this also, it comes down manually and lays down. It's protected from your windshield, but it will lay down. The canvas come up to give you more space if you want to store the boat. Coming up here, you've got the walk-through. Bow closing door if you want to. The windshield closes behind me. Great area for seating. You put, see, 3 adults right here, 2 more or 3 more adults if you wanted to, and you've got a carry-on cooler stored down here, and I've got it opened up here that you see the ladder coming off the bow. So you can go right up to the beach and then get right in the boat from the front. And of course this comes off, and you can step down on your cooler or down on the floor if you'd like. Hey, let's go outside and look at this beautiful boat. It's got a beautiful blue hull. And so this is the 250 sun deck Sea Ray. Let's go look at the outside. Well, really, to be honest, the reason I wanted to come down here and show this hull, my shirt, my pants match it. But this is, look at the sparkle in that blue. Isn't that beautiful? This again is the Sea Ray 250 sun deck. We'd love to show you the boat. Why don't you come see us right here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm Bob Fowler, and we'd love to show you the boat. Take you out on it. You won't believe how Sea Ray rides, and the comfort and the dryness and the smoothness. They're just great boats. Again, this is Bob Fowler bidding you goodbye, and have a blessed day.